Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for April 18th, 2013. It's currently 9 a.m. And as you can see, we have an easterly wind throughout much of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. This wind will shift to the southeast and eventually to the south by this evening, transporting a very warm air mass into the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. But before we get to that point, we're going to be dealing with some cool conditions for today relative. It's going to be pretty much near normal, cooler as you head towards the coast. Temperatures around Long Island and southern Connecticut will range anywhere from the lower to mid 50s. As you move towards the New York City metropolitan area, upper 50s to lower 60s, and the Philadelphia metropolitan area and much of eastern Pennsylvania in the mid to upper 60s. So basically, the further away you are from the Atlantic Ocean, the warmer you'll be. Also expects clouds to increase throughout the day with the potential for a few widely scattered showers. On the radar, you can clearly see a few of these showers starting to pop up over the southern mid-Atlantic, and this is due to a stationary front starting to rebound to the north as a warm front, and these widely scattered to isolated showers will remain a threat through this afternoon and into the evening hours throughout the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. There will be some periods of drizzle as well as moisture from the Atlantic moves into the region. So overall, a bit of a raw day, especially as you head towards the afternoon and evening hours. So if you're going to a baseball game, say the Phillies or the Yankees, be prepared for some raw conditions. I think they'll get the games in just fine. It'll just be a bit uncomfortable out there in the stands. Now, why are we dealing with all this overcast conditions and scattered showers? Well, the primary reason is this low pressure system right here. This low pressure system will consolidate into one strong low pressure system that will lift northeast towards the eastern Great Lakes, and that will force this stationary front to the north. So what we're dealing with right now is basically the marine air mass giving way and losing its influence. So we have this marine air mass in place. The warm air that is situated down here in the southeast will ride over that marine air mass, leading to variable cloud cover and overcast skies. But eventually, the warm air mass will win out by tomorrow as winds shift to the south and southwest. Now, tomorrow, there will be a threat for scattered showers and even an isolated thunderstorm, but I think most locations remain dry. In fact, tomorrow afternoon, temperatures over much of the Philadelphia metropolitan area will range from the lower to mid 70s. And right along the coast, upper 60s for the most part, and over Long Island, lower to mid 60s because of the influence of the Atlantic. Much warmer conditions will be in place. Unfortunately, this cold front will be on the move, and as it's moving through the area tomorrow night, basically from 8 p.m. on through 4 a.m. on Saturday, look for widespread showers and thunderstorms. So showers and thunderstorms will be capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning. I'm really concerned about the wind gusts here because winds at the mid-levels will have the potential to be mixed down towards the surface, leading to wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. And of course, frequent lightning will be a threat as well. So a stormy night is going to be on the way for Friday night. So if you have plans late Friday night or if you're driving late Friday night, be on guard for very heavy rainfall and visibility falling below 2 miles at times with that rainfall. The latest forecast from the European Model Guidance using the Penn State EWOL website shows this evening, again, for the most part, we have this warm front that's going to lift north. Now notice at 700 millibars, we're pretty dry, but at 850 millibars, there's plenty of moisture around. So what this tells me is that there's a lot of low-level moisture in the atmosphere that would be supportive more for widely scattered showers and more of a drizzle, overcast, foggy type weather pattern for tonight into early tomorrow morning. That warm front is going to lift north, and by late tomorrow morning, let's say around 9 to 10 a.m., you'll see the clouds start to break and temperatures start to rise rapidly. And tomorrow afternoon, look for temperatures again in the lower to mid 60s over Long Island, mid to upper 60s right along the coast, and then lower to mid 70s over the Philadelphia metropolitan area. And I think the New York City metropolitan area is going to have a pretty impressive thermal gradient setup where locations like Newark will be around 70 and locations like JFK will be around 62, 63 degrees. And that's just that influence from the Atlantic that we're going to be dealing with. The cold front moves through tomorrow night. Widespread showers and thunderstorms capable of very strong wind gusts. Now, the good news, if you have plans for Saturday, is that the cold front's going to exit out of there, and by late Saturday morning, skies will clear out. Dry air will really take hold, and basically Saturday afternoon all the way on through Monday, high pressure will be in control with seasonable temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s for highs, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. Overall, comfortable weather conditions, light and variable winds, pretty much tranquil weather conditions through the weekend. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll have an area of low pressure that's going to spawn along the east coast, producing the potential for scattered showers, possibly a few heavy downpours for Tuesday and Wednesday, with temperatures remaining around the mid 60s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. You can follow the latest weather information at nynjpaweather.com and nynjpaweather on Twitter and Facebook. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there.